Met you leaning on a railing, watching traffic fade to red. You said nothing, smiled over us like you already knew I'd stay. We talked about places we never go, names that don't mean much now. When the night started folding in, you slipped away into the crowd that should have ended right there. Just a face I'd forget by morning, but something stayed in the air, like a sentence left unfinished. I don't know where you went, but you're still there somehow. Every street feels half familiar, every silence says your name out loud. I don't chase it, I don't run, I just let the feeling come around. I don't know where you went, but you're still there somehow. Days move on without asking, same routines, different light. Every song sounds almost right, like it's missing one last line. I catch myself looking twice at reflections in the glass, not because I think it's you, just because I missed the chance. People say it's just a moment, something small I made too wide. The moments don't repeat this long if they're empty inside. I don't know where you went, but you're still there somehow. Every street feels half familiar, every silence says your name out loud. I don't chase it, I don't run, I just let the feeling come around. I don't know where you went, but you're still there somehow. Maybe it's just memory, maybe it's the way I've been, but some nights don't really end, they just circle